Very hot. And that's the motor for the pump. The belt is still good. Checked it. So the only other thing it could be is probably that little pump motor. About to turn it on and see if I can hear anything.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, that should be good. It looks like you probably got it clamped pretty good.
Okay.
Can you feel that little knob sticking through around on the far side of the clamp? Like you got it on far enough?
Yeah. I like the backside to be a little bit lower.
Jeremiah, back up.
All right, I think we're better. That's better.
Oh yeah. Just make sure you get them screws tight, and then make sure you can feel up on the top side. Make sure they seat good. It ain't still got a gap or something holding it off.
Yeah.
Screw. Probably right in the back. Trying to get this wash machine going. Oh yeah. Her and Jeremiah is getting it done.
Okay, so take this off and plug this in?
Yeah. Matt put that tip back on the screwdriver, the flat
Just
side.
gonna try to take it.
Hopefully.
Hey, take care. Hey, other way. Stick it in from this way.
What do you mean?
Slide it in just straight. Put it up there. I'll show you. Other way. Lay it down. There you go. Just kind of twist it. Stick it on there and just turn it, and then pull this side. You have to do the same for the bottom, and it should open up. I don't know why they make it so hard.
Oh.
That plug there. You know what it's here up there. That mount right there.
Okay. Do I close this back?
Yeah.
Okay.
That should be it. Just have to flip it back up and put it. Do what?
We don't have a missing piece. So stand it back up, and I should be able to run and hook this water stuff back up, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then run laundry tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just wash you some laundry, and just before you push it back in place, just look at it and make sure it ain't leaking.
Oops.
All right.
But those new hoses and all, so when you put the water hoses back on there, you should just be able to do them finger tight, and then you may have to go out to the shop and get a pair of like a larger pair of pliers so you can get it so you can tighten it up one turn.
Okay.
I got a pair of blue handled channel locks out there that you could probably use. I just don't know if they're out there in my toolbox or if they're in the back of the toolbox in my car.
Maybe you can hold it up to you right now. So I'm gonna send it back up.